All right, today is rafter day, okay? If you're not familiar with angles and how to find angles with your rafters, if you have to match up what you're working with, show people the easy way. If you can, remove one of the rafters, okay, like I did there, nice and easy. And you come up with your rafter ends right here, okay? Just put this back a little bit. All right, you got your angle up there. This one here is in good shape. Little overcutting there. You don't want to overcut that much, so I'm going to replace that one. But you take it and you use it as a template. I brought this angle over to my bad boy right there. I got a 30-degree angle, okay? So what I'm doing is, obviously you want rafters every 16 inches, just like your studs, okay? I got to make 7 groups or seven rafters there. So I cut them all at 30 degrees. You can cut them all at the same time, one after another. You don't have to flip-flop the saw, the miter saw, because it's not trim or anything. You can flip these around, okay? So you make them, and what I'm doing now is I'm going to use, or I already did use the old for a template. And there we go right here, if you can see this. Okay? So it's gonna go, the bird's eye is gonna go up and come down. I'm gonna make a bunch of them. Okay? Then I'm gonna put them together. What they used was this piece of plywood. Okay? Again, use this as a template. I got some plywood back over there, spare, so I'm gonna cut a bunch of these out. And then I'll nail them together like that for support. All right, so that's it. That's how you find your angles. And the best couple of tools to use. All right, I don't know if you're in the rigid platform or not, but this is the Octane. Okay, you want to use that. You don't want to cut all the way through like I showed you on that last one. So you want to finish it off with, yeah, you guessed it, the Octane recip. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna get to work making all these. I'm gonna stick them up on the walls, and then I'll show you the finished product. All right, all the rafters are done. I made a bunch of them here. I use 2x4s as like a cross member for strength. When you're laying out your rafters up here, what you want to do is 16 on center up here. You know, I like to mark both sides. You got guys that'll just mark a line or an X with an arrow. I mark them. So once I put the rafters on this side, I go right over to that side and they'll line up, okay? I measured everything, it's square. I went side to side, I went diagonal on both sides, same measurement. So when I'm finished, I'm gonna take a rafter and butt it right up against this one and then just start here. I'm gonna eventually rip off this roof, and they put no paper down or anything, so I'm gonna put paper down and reshingle it, and that'll be a part of the next video. But yeah, we're almost done with these rafters, and that's how I line this up. Okay, all right, I got 4 of them up. Okay, I gotta tell you, I picked the hottest days to do this shit. I got 3 more to go. Everything's lining up perfect. It's nice when things come together at the end, and I'm not gonna jinx it, because I gotta do that back wall. And that's when I got to figure out, putting the door in and all that stuff. So, all right, another day complete. The rafters are in. Okay. Put a couple pieces of sheathing on top on this side. Okay, got an overhang out there. Got to get rid of that. Gonna match it on the outside. And I'll run a gutter along the edge when I'm finished. It will have a little bit of an overhang, but not much. So this is finished. That's what it's looking like. Clean up when you're finished. That's all scrap from today. And that's it. Everything's looking good. Yeah, it's coming out nice. All right, on to the next one. What are you doing, Sonny? All right, so that's it. and try to make them, they're even, they look good. Today I did the rafters, the windows in, it's framed. Sonny, put that back. Put that water bottle back, Sonny. Come on. So that's it. This is I think I'm up to part 4. All I have to do is frame this wall here. And I got to pick up that door I talked about in the last video. It never panned out. So that's another thing. When you're looking for stuff, sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. Sorry about the glare with the sun here. I'll try to fix that. But yeah, windows in. I think that window could be meant to be long ways up and down, but I put it sideways. I like the way it looks. And it's got a nice view, like I said, out there. But that's it, Park. Look at this. Look at this.